Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got some breaking news here. Today, February the 11th, 2019, the Norwegian Epic cruise ship has run into some engine problems. She left Port Canaveral February the 9th, that's a couple of days ago, and she was supposed to arrive in Tortola tomorrow, February the 12th, and then St. Thomas, February the 13th. Those two ports of call have been canceled. The ship has lost power from two of her onboard engines. She's now 239 miles away from San Juan, Puerto Rico, where she has been diverted. She'll probably take another day to get there because she's only moving at 11 miles an hour, and it'll probably take her almost 24 hours to get to San Juan. Once there, they'll try to repair the engines. No word on what's going to happen with the rest of the cruise. She was supposed to go on the February the 15th to Great Stirrup Key and return to Port Canaveral on February the 16th. That's 5 days from now. We'll have to see how much work has to be done on the engines in the meantime before she can move on. I'll keep you posted on these updates as I see more coming across the wire. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 for updates, and subscribe today to my channel so I can keep you posted on what's going on. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.